Hello, I'm Amy. Welcome to BG Office Furniture. Now I'm going to introduce you a new office table set. So as you can see, this office table, the size is 2.2 meter, and with the fixed cabinet and the 3 drawer, and also together with the side table. And for the whole set, we match the cabinet and the coffee table. So from the front side, you can see this special shape in the front side, which is also followed by the coffee table. So on the two sides, we match the CNC decoration, and the background is marble white color. And this golden color, we also match the edge banding, with the mixed golden color in the middle of this banding. So this will correspond very well. And for the tabletop, we also see this is the mixed marble white color on the tabletop together with the wood color. So it looks not so dark, and it will look more modern. For this cabinet, it's 2 meter, and we have 5 doors. So for the two sides, we match with the CNC decoration, same as the office table. And for the size, we can have bigger size and smaller size according to your office table. And also we can do customized designs for you. And if you want to change color, so we have several color options for you to choose for the office table, and also match the colors. And also, if you want to add the PU for your table, we can also have the PU samples for you and to design for you for the front board. If you are interested in our designs or you have any requests, just contact me anytime.